Hi, my name's Stu and welcome to another drone video on Flying Wiener. I'm going international again. We're in Scotland, which I'm very happy about. We went to France recently, now to Scotland. Should have been here a year ago, but last year, if you remember, or maybe you haven't seen videos from back then, they actually lost my luggage and I didn't fly with the drone during my usual Scotland holiday. Anyway, we're here now. We're at Culzean Castle, built in the mid to late 18th century by the 10th Earl of Castle. I'll call it now. I'll put it in here, you know, just so you can see what the name actually is. You can hear my daughter in the background, by the way, in case she's a bit louder. I'm sorry about that, but I'm sure you should be able to hear me well. We're going to send the drone up now and film it from afar. I'm not flying over it, but I hope you enjoy it anyway. Okay, just like with my Rocamadour video where I was in France, I used some of the footage from inside the castle. I definitely recommend it if you're interested in, you know, how they lived back then with the furniture, etc. Really cool to look at. They do a really fun thing for kids as well, where they give you a wee sheet of Lego figures that they've hidden in among all the furniture, etc. So it gives kids something to do. That's a really cool idea. I hope many other touristy places adapt something similar, because it'll keep kids entertained, you know, who are not that interested obviously in the furniture, etc. Yeah, really cool to finally be flying in Scotland. We'll see if during our trip here I might go to one other destination with the drone. We'll see. If it happens, you'll see it on the channel. If not, don't worry, there'll be drone videos in the future of other places as well. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe. It is the best way to support this channel. Leave a comment down below about, you know, if you've read a bit, whether you've been to Culzean Castle, if you've got other recommendations for Scotland or other countries. Well, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one on Flying Wiener. Take care. Bye.